Hi everybody, welcome to this new video in the IECHost series. Today we will have a look at revision 2.14 of the graphic client, and because this client requires a firmware update in order to use certain new features, we will focus on the discovery of the device port and the bootloader port. Again, this is version 2.14. It includes a certain version of the firmware that is used for updating. Now, when the application is first started, unless earlier versions were in use, the connection settings look like these two, COM3 and COM4, are listed on Windows. And in order to put valid values in here, we can use the device manager. Now you can see that the USB serial device on this PC is appearing on COM4. So the first thing to do is put COM4 here. Now this one we don't know yet what is it gonna be, but there's where this option comes handy. This option will reset the hardware and start the bootloader, which will then time out and restart the custom firmware, the IECHost firmware. So watch out the device manager when I reset the hardware. As you can see, it re-enumerated on COM5. Then 5 seconds timeout. If no update goes through, it re-enumerates as COM4 again. So what we do here now is to put COM5 as bootloader port. Now, do we need to update for this firmware version or not? Well, we can just read the firmware version of the hardware and find out whether that's required or not. So the firmware version running on the hardware is 1.13, and as we said, the one this client has been tested and developed with is 1.14. So update firmware. Once the hardware re-enumerates as COM4 and the onboard LED starts flashing again, read firmware version. As you can see, 1.14.135. If you are interested in knowing about all the features and in a given version of the graphic user interface client, the changelog file that ships with it goes through all changes for all versions, going back to version 1.0. 2.14 was a milestone release because of the firmware update required. No other version required a firmware update, and as you can see, quite a few things went in this release. If you are interested in viewing all the issues as I work through them and hopefully resolve the bugs that I managed to spot or reported, you can you can follow the progress on hosted Redmine and then projects IECHost GUI client issues. There's a roadmap as well that tells you 2.14 is practically done. All issues are closed, so we'll just need to push it through and make the update available. In version 3.0 we will have a look, I will have a look at one of the bugs that seem to affect the track 1 alignment, and version 3.1 will add support for 40 track discs. That's about it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye!